Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today is the day I'm going to take down all the Christmas decorations, and I normally leave them up till New Year's. I think it's, I don't even know what today is. What is the date? It's the 29th. So I'm taking it down a few days early, but I feel already the need to purge and just declutter and start the new year with a clean slate, a nice clean house. So I'm gonna bring you through the realness that is my house right now after Christmas. And I have one baby sleeping, the other one is pulling out stuff and moving it around. So it's gonna be extremely real. Almost, I kind of feel like vlogish at the beginning, but anyways, let's go ahead and get started in the video. All right, you guys, and here it is. Not as bad as it was on Christmas, because at least most of the presents are put away, but this is how we've been spending our staycation, just downstairs enjoying the holiday, and it is time to clean all this up. And yes, Cadence acts like that when I get the camera out instantly. She wants to be in front of it. So, this is my poor tree. It is so sad. The bottom half has no ornaments. They've just been thrown up top because they get destroyed by the kids. Luckily, none of them are glass, but definitely time to clean up. And she was being naughty here. Oh, look at that. Yeah.
Drive a faster car, lay my troubles to rest, blow the smoke through my cigarette. City lights looking fine, and I know this is my time now. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so
I found that cleanup for Christmas, at least, is really good to do with toddlers, or at least my toddler, who likes to clean up and put things in bins and then organize them like her mom. But yeah, she really wanted to be there. I don't know if it's also maybe because the camera is out and she likes to be in front of that, but yeah, cleanup really good if you have young kids who want to help, and I will take that any day.
drive a faster car. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip.
And then periodically you guys will see different YouTubers on the TV, because I too need some motivation and inspiration to get my house in order for the new year. The YouTubers that are on periodically throughout are Brianna K, Alexandra Buter, Old World Home, and Amy Durley, I think, pops up too. I love these YouTubers. I don't even watch TV, you guys, anymore. I seriously just put YouTube videos on the TV. I don't think it's a problem though.
Nothing can break me.
Every time I'm going out, the same things keep happening. New boy, same tricks.
This ribbon I got years ago at Craft Warehouse, and it's really, really thick. And yeah, it's fun. I like it.
Trying to impress me, but I don't care about your Rolex or your credit card. Rolex or your credit card. Still you won't quit. Trying to be cool, so here we go again. Here we go again. You got nothing on me, on me. You got nothing on me, on me. You got nothing on me, on me. Like a movie star, try to pick me up in your new sports car. I think it's called a Jaguar. I don't give a damn, I got money on my mind. I can see you want me.
See, like I said, she's being a really big helper, which I appreciated. Now, you guys have to wait till the end of the video. It's hilarious. It's not really a blooper, but I mean, it's kind of a blooper. I didn't know something was happening, and Cadence decided to do her own video. This is my husband's cup, but he drank out of mine, so you know what? I'm gonna use his.
Trying to buy me drinks and I don't like your cheap tricks. Take it somewhere else, would ya? Would ya? I don't know what you think, but I'm not one of those chicks. Take it somewhere else, would ya? Would ya?
So if you guys haven't already noticed, I am not organizing these bins at all. I'm literally just kind of categorizing them as far as decor and greenery, because there's actually a couple things I want to go to the store and get. And I know my other decorations, like my spring and fall decorations, are kind of in shambles right now. So I want to redo all of the bin systems. So I'm just throwing them in there, so that I will give another video to you guys that goes over how I'm going to organize those boxes, because I know they are a hot mess.
You got nothing on me 'cause I look too hot. Let's get some sun, baby, it's time to go. All we need to put on is the radio. I can feel the heat is rising, and that beat is hypnotizing. Oh, no, we run the show. Let's get louder, come on, lose control. Got to live or we get too old. Come on, shine a little tonight. Let's get louder, come on, lose control. Ain't no limit when we go for gold. We can shine a little tonight. Shine a little tonight. Shine a little tonight.
So a lot of this greenery was actually from last year at Walmart. I'm sure you could still get it there, but it's nice because it was in the decorations for my son's baby shower. I really like sentimental decorations. If it gets ruined, whatever, but it's kind of nice because then it brings me back to that.
We got it late, ain't got nothing to prove, nothing to prove. I can feel the heat.
Now, some might say that this Harry Potter pillow is not holiday, but it's red, and I only have red in my house when it's Christmas time. But to me, it is. It's totally holiday. And any excuse I can get to put Harry Potter decor, I'm going to use it. That little station is where my daughter would kind of push the chair out and have a little nook area, and she is obsessed with carrots, so she would always go and help herself to some carrots, and clearly some got left behind.
Shine a little tonight.
This was one of my favorite things this year, was having a coffee station. That little Santa and tree, those were actually like salt and pepper shakers, but I just use them as decorations. And then that mug of the Grinch, I actually made that. And on one side is the face of the Grinch, and then the other one says resting Grinch face, which I feel like is appropriate for morning time. This is Chelsea. She is obsessed with these chairs. They're kind of her bed. And she is due for a shaving. She's a doll face Persian, so she gets a shaving for lion cut every 4 months. You'll see why here in a bit. So now that the Christmas decorations are all put away, I'm going to light a candle and just do a quick wipe down of the areas that have the sparkle that is of Christmas left over. You guys, I was going to cut this out because it's so embarrassing, but I need recommendations on a good vacuum for pet hair and toddlers that is skinning up for the stairs, that isn't $400. I don't want to invest in that quite yet, so I just need a skinny vacuum. So any recommendations really help. This vacuum's great for just normal carpet, but not the stairs. And now that I'm getting to where she sits, this is why she needs to get shaved. Right here. What do you think you're eating? I can eat that banana. Eat that banana. Oh, thank you. Oh. I dropped a banana. And now I'm just gonna quickly walk you guys through the house. No, I don't have my normal decorations up again. I just have it as a clean slate right now. And I'm not gonna lie, it's really nice and refreshing. And yeah, I mean, my house right now is not perfect. I did not get to the kitchen, like really cleaning it, but at least all of the Christmas decorations are put away. It feels nice and airy. I can breathe. So my normal decorations will be up soon.
My baby boy.
Say like if you like. Say thumbs up if you like.
Lego.
Okay. So I'm done. Bye guys.